All right. Happy Monday to you. Welcome to Whiteboard Weather here on YouTube. We are breaking down the cold weather heading into the first full week of March. Of course, some snow last night, really wrapping up in most cases by midnight, but in the process putting down a fresh 2 to 4 inches of snow, which is what we had projected most of the time. Here are some of the totals from yesterday. 3.2 in Moon Plum, Greensburg at 3, Katanning 2.7, Rochester, Gastonville, Pittsburgh downtown, and Newcastle all at 2.5 inches for the day. Also of note, yesterday was the third largest snowfall of the winter season so far. Not the largest. The largest was 4.2 inches on February the 20th. Number 2, 3.4 inches fell officially on January 20th. And yesterday, officially 3.2 inches fell at the airport. So those are the three largest snowfalls this winter. If you've been around Pittsburgh for any length of time, you know a lot of our snowfalls are of the nickel and dime variety, ½ inch to an inch here, maybe up to 2 inches, but generally, knock on wood, we usually don't get too many snowfalls in excess of 3, let alone 4 inches of snow. That's a total of 3 we had all winter long. All right, let me show you the maps moving forward. This evening. You'll notice pretty quiet across our area. Skies will probably be partly cloudy as we head down through this evening and overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, this is 7 a.m. You'll notice a cold front back here across the Midwest. There'll be some lake-enhanced action up and through the Great Lakes. This front will cross here late afternoon and evening. As it does so, it has a limited amount of moisture, and really most of what could potentially fly in terms of flurries, keyword being flurries, is going to be probably north of I-80, and maybe with some enhancement of higher elevations, there could be some flurries that are squeezed out across the Laurels, but locally, I don't think it's really much. And even in those places north of I-80 in the lower highlands, it probably won't be much there either. Basically, the cold front will just give us a reinforcing shot of cold air heading into Wednesday, and Wednesday itself, high pressure starts to build in. I think it's generally quiet Wednesday and Thursday. And there is a system that could bring some light precipitation on Friday. I'm going to move ahead. This is Friday morning, 7 a.m. And you'll notice we're still a few days out, but some light precipitation developing in the lower Ohio Valley. So this is something to watch for the possibility, keyword there's possibility at this point, of some light rain or snow showers on Friday. The reason it could be rain is the southerly flow is going to start to kick in later in the week. That'll progressively bring temperatures up. And I do think by the weekend, we're at least going to be in the 40s and 50s with an outside shot at getting into the upper 50s, maybe close to 60 in parts of the area by Sunday. So March Madness is not exclusive to basketball. March typically is a transition month across western Pennsylvania where you see big variations in temperatures. You'll have a series of cold days followed by a series of warmer days before we kind of settle into a more spring-like pattern as we head into April. So this is a transition month. All right, here we go. Sunrise and sunset times, 6:15 is when it goes down. It rises 6:48. Remember, this weekend, Saturday into Sunday, we spring forward, which means after we make that transition, sunset on Sunday won't be until 7:20. Snowfall for the month, counting what we got yesterday, March, so far 4.6 inches. For the season, we're sitting at 36 inches, which is about 2 inches above average or climatology to this point in the season. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, 10 your low temperature. A little bit of a west wind, could add a little bit of a wind chill, but it shouldn't be much. Winds will generally be 5 to 8 miles an hour. Tomorrow, clouds win out over sunshine. Again, I think that flurry chance will be best as you get near and north of I-80. I'm looking at you, Mercer, Venango County, also Clarion County. Maybe a little breezy at times tomorrow afternoon. And mostly cloudy and 12 tomorrow night. Still cold on Wednesday, 26 the high temperature. And then Thursday we turn the corner. Not as cold, partly sunny, 33. Right now, clouds and milder Friday, but again, put an asterisk there. Could have to include a light rain or snow shower chance on Friday based on how things progress over the next 48 hours, 38 the high. And then here's your weekend. Right now, I'm going to be a little conservative with the temperatures. They could end up being higher than this. Saturday, 46, and Sunday, 53 degrees will be the high temperature late in the weekend. But again, that could be increased over the course of the next several days if the trend continues to bring those temperatures a little bit on the higher side. That's your weather update for today. Couple of quick notes. Today was the birthday of Badger Bob Johnson, a great day for hockey. And also local boxing legend Ray Boom Boom Mancini was born on this day. And it's National Grammar Day, so watch your P's and Q's. That's going to do it for Whiteboard Weather on a Monday. Have a great rest of the day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.